Hi, it's Elliot Waves again with 3 stocks I have on my watch list at the moment. Thunderheart on IGE, or Thunderheart if I pronounce his name correctly. Talked a lot about gold in the group, so let's take a look at gold. Also in this video, a SPY update, Microsoft and Western Alliance. Okay, short SPY update since not much has happened since the last video. I think we're in the C wave of wave 4, and when you take an hourly chart, we have this 3 wave rally. That could be enough, but this drop unfolded in 3 waves. So this is an X wave, and then we got an I wave, and there's a trend line. This one, which looks like a proper target, so we could see higher ground first. And in the 15-minute chart, you can clearly see this is a B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a C wave, which completes an X wave. So this could be WXY. Now, I mentioned in my previous videos that this 3-wave rally is probably not enough. It could be enough, but it probably wouldn't be enough, because if you look at the amount of time the impulse spent, that's 200 bars plus, and if you look at the rally, we're talking about 75 bars. That's I like the correction to spend at least the same amount of time as the impulse it corrects, if you know what I mean. So if this is 200 bars, I want this to be at least 200 bars. Now, this is not an Elliott Wave rule, but that's a rule which I think is relevant. I think that is usually the case, not always, but I'm waiting for the best setup. So I think we get that move higher. If not, we're going down, and then this would unfold in 5 waves, and then we get a 3-wave rally, and then there's the next opportunity to short it. Anyway, this 3-wave, if you take this as an ABC or a WXY, the target could be the 100%. So A is C, or C is A, if you like, and we have this trend line, as I said, and the horizontal support line or resistance line. So that's one to watch. So gold, 5-wave decline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this lovely ending diagonal, which is always a good thing to see, because this is a confirmation that the trend, if you will, or your wave structure is going to reverse. So this ending diagonal was followed by this triangle, and yeah, this is a wave A, and then you got your triangle, and this looks to be wave E. So this is almost done, and then a rally should follow in this scenario. So there is a catch if this is the complete triangle, because wave B can be just one triangle, and this is A, B, C, D, E. The drop would follow soon. Now, many people, many Elliots, hate us. They think, or they will say, so you say it can go up or it can go down, so how useful is that? Well, it's very obvious. If this level goes, so if this level breaks, one scenario falls off, and if this level falls and it breaks from here, the bullish scenario will be eliminated. So personally, I hope it goes higher to this level here. Here, this is resistance, and you got your, A is C again, the 100% level. If it drops, I wait for the 5-wave decline, and then a 3-wave recovery on a smaller degree, or on a smaller time frame to see the smaller degree. So what's it's important to watch, because if this level goes first, then we know we're going higher first, and then one scenario stays alive. Microsoft made this wave 1 in 99, and then big correction until 2008, and then this recovery. You got wave 1 up, wave 2, and then a typical wave 3, steep and almost vertical. And it seems like we are in this 5th wave of wave 3. So I prefer this one to go a bit higher, and on an hourly chart it looks like this is a smaller degree wave 4. So I would like this to go, I would like this one to go above this 131 level to consider a short. I'm not really a top picker, but if it goes higher and it breaks the trend line in an impulsive fashion, so a 5-wave fall, drop, and then a return to the trend line would be a great setup, I think. But at this point, it's not worth trading, I think, but it's certainly one to watch. And usually a wave 4 returns to a smaller degree wave 4, that's this area. So it could come down to this 1.9, 110 level. But again, discount suggests that we have to see new highs first. And then finally, Western Alliance. Western Alliance, 3 waves up, and then a 5-wave decline, crashed to the trend line, stopped at the 2nd trend line. And on the hourly chart, or the 4-hour, we got a 5-wave decline followed by a 3-wave rally, and this looks like A is C, roughly. So that looks good. So this one looks to go down very soon, much more. Potential of the trade looks very good. If this is indeed the end of wave 2, then yeah, when it crashes to the trend line, the sky is the limit. I think it can go to these levels, these 2009 levels, 2010 levels, back again. So not a big fan of Western Alliance at this point in time. So let's see what happens. So these were 3 random stocks on my watch list, which I think are currently worth tracking. So I'm going to wrap it up. Hope to see you soon.